Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Using extremely rarest, extremely black Shiva Banalingam for your extreme protection. It is a beautiful collection from Indian Ocean. Very, very rare, unique formation. You can see a extremely black, unique Shiva Banalingam here. Extreme black Shiva Banalingam here. It is just only one piece in the world. Never, never, never again same piece again. Such a beautiful piece it is. So you can see Shiva Banalingam here. It's a Shiyambu Shiva Banalingam, means naturally Shiva Banalingam here. It is collected from Indian Ocean. Beautiful collection. Extremely black Shiva Banalingam for extreme protection for you. By having this conch with you, all your opponent will be get vanished and you will get huge success in your life. Such a wonderful formation it is, and very high quality, extreme high quality. You can never get again like this same piece. Beautiful. Extremely rarest, extremely black Shiva Banalingam for your extreme protection, gives you extreme protection, collected from Indian Ocean. See how black Shiva Banalingam. In top you can see the shape of Shiva Lingam also. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.